show you it's not as much as changing something, it's adding something. So stand by and I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's what's going on right there. Oh, didn't mean to show you that. In this box, you can see the picture what it is. It's a roller base with 3-inch swivels. Came from Northern, right there. Northern Tool and Equipment. I'm sure you've heard of that company. Open up the box. Got you a nice heavy duty steel base here. It's a drum dolly, 30-gallon drum dolly. Real heavy duty casters. Nice. Well, 4 bolts. I'm gonna stick those wheels on there and I'll come back and show you what I'm gonna do with it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 bolts per caster. Got the shoulder. So tops are smooth. We'll just go down. We'll just go down through the top. Got that shoulder, it locks in, and then you got a 1/2-inch locking nut. So we're going to put those on all 4 stations, and I'll come back and show you what I end up with and what I'm going to use it for. Got 2 of the 4 bolts on each one of them, and I flipped it over. Now I'm going to go and get these 2 outside ones, finish it up. All right. We're getting there. Just tighten them all evenly. I don't have my tripod, so I'm one-handing all this. Alright, I've already got the others. How about that? That's gonna be nice. Let's see what I'm gonna do with it. Those rollers are smooth too. They're smooth as glass. Smooth as honey. Alright, stand by. I'll show you. Ta-da! I told you when I put this thing together I wasn't gonna be hefting it around. I was gonna be rolling it. Just lifting this up to move it. There's some wheels coming on here in this thing's life, some way, somehow, so I can roll it. You can count on that. Oh yeah. Oh, I love that. $39.95. That's heavy duty. That's actually as thick a gauge of steel as the barrel, probably a little thicker. Now, when I get ready to go cook, uncover it. I know some of you guys, you don't move your cookers, you just open it up and fill it up and cook, but I move mine around and I can't be toting this stuff, especially the older you get. If you have a bad back, you need rollers. You need a roller base. Oh my goodness. Anybody need a wire rack? I don't. How about that? Northern Company, northern.com. No, they didn't give it to me. I ordered it and paid for it. If you're interested, that's where you can get them. Of course, there's a bunch of them out there. If you want one, I saw one on Michael Doyle's channel. His was blue. Some of them are metal, some of them was hard plastic type material. I don't know, some other type stuff, but you can, you can get, it's your choice. But I wanted something that could get hot and steel. So, and those rollers are a lot better than what I got on the Smoky Mountain. Those are really commercial grade rollers. All right, feeling torn.